Affirmations are a fantastic way to rewire your brain for developing new habits and getting rid of old ones. However, many people make the mistake of thinking just blurting out a bunch of words is enough to do the trick. Follow these steps to make your affirmations more effective so you can become the beast version of you. Number 1. Visualizing. The majority of the time we're using affirmations we don't yet believe to be true in ourselves. It's usually how we want to feel rather than how we actually feel in that moment. So how do we turn that around? You need to trick your brain into thinking it has already happened. Just saying affirmations isn't enough to rewire your brain. You need to believe the words you're using are already true. Visualizing is a great way to do this. For example, if the affirmation is I am confident, as you say these words, you need to visualize in your mind how you would walk as a confident person, the way you would speak. What kind of way would you be sitting as a truly confident person? What kind of eye contact you make with people? Putting images in your mind along with the words makes it even more real for you to actually believe, so it becomes true within yourself. Number 2. Consistency. When it comes to rewriting your natural tendencies and thought patterns, a lot of patience is essential to achieve this, especially when it comes to erasing old habits ingrained in over a number of years. The number 1 mistake people make when using affirmations is not being consistent enough. It could take weeks or even months before you start to see any real effect coming through. So try to stick to the same affirmations before jumping onto new ones, or quitting entirely before your brain has had a chance to process these new thoughts into your cognitive development. If it is urgent, also remember that repetition is key. So the more frequently you use your affirmations, this will develop your actions and thoughts a lot quicker. Number 3. Use the present tense. I am successful. I will be successful. I can be successful. These all sound like perfectly good affirmations, right? What if I ask you a different question instead? Which out of these 3 affirmations is likely to trick your brain into believing that you are already successful? Now it's a lot easier to pick the odd one out, isn't it? Affirmations work best when you're using words in the present tense. Attach weight to the entity of the words you're instilling as if it has already happened. Using forward tense words such as I will, I can, only sends a message that you're not there yet, you're not ready for this yet. This is something you can procrastinate over. Therefore, your brain doesn't see this as a priority in your thoughts. Thoughts become feelings, and feelings become reality. Have a look through our affirmation videos and find the right one for you and your goals.